It's Investigate Indiana. Join us on a trip off the beaten path this week to the quaint town of Farmland. Located in Randolph County, Farmland was platted in 1852 when the railroad came through. And as you might have guessed, it was named for the rich land suitable for farming right outside town. The historic district of downtown Farmland was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1994. Some of the businesses include the legendary Chocolate Mousse restaurant, where chocolate shakes, ice cream, and burgers are a specialty. And what would a small-town Indiana be without their Pizza King? This one is located in an old opera house at 100 South Main Street, just across the street from the Chocolate Mousse. But the star of the day for us was the Farmland General Store and Candy and Stuff, located at 113 North Main Street. We were like, well, two kids in a candy store. So much nostalgia. So much candy. To visit the Farmland General Store and Candy and Stuff, they are open weekdays and Saturdays from 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. But Farmland is always open and ready for visitors. While in town, check out the Victorian-era architecture. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified each time we upload a new adventure. See you next time!